Hello friends, welcome to my channel Informatica by Poojitha. So today we are seeing about one of the mysterious place in the world, that is none other than Bermuda Triangle. From past 100 years onwards, thousands of ships and planes are missing without any clue and not even getting any imagination. This is the vanishing and only mysterious place, that is Bermuda Triangle. Let's see more information about Bermuda Triangle. The Atlantic Ocean, which lies between Florida, Bermuda and Puerto Rico, are called Bermuda Triangle. It consists of 130,000 square kilometers and also known as Devil's Triangle. Approximately 4 planes and 20 ships are missing in this place every year. We don't know how they are missing. There is no clue how they are drowning and collapsing. Mainly 5 incidents came registered into people's heart about this mysterious place. Let's see the incidents. Incident number 1, Flight 19. In 1945, December 5th, US Navy sent 5 Navy planes to the Bermuda Triangle as part of their routine training. After 2 hours, they received a voice message from Team 19 that they are not getting the proper signal and even magnetic compasses are also not working. After that, the signal of voice message has cut and the planes are also collapsed and vanished. They even didn't return back. So the US Navy again sent 13-member team flight to rescue them in another flight. That also it got missed and vanished. Incident number 2, USS Cyclops. In American Navy history, many people died in USS Cyclops cargo ship incident. This is mainly used to supply fuel to other ships at wartime. In 1918, March 4th, this ship went in missing with 306 members in it. Incident number 3, Christopher Columbus. A great explorer traveling from Florida to Bermuda Triangle in 1942. He said that he had seen some strange lights like a huge fireball in sky and his magnetic compass also not yet worked. He wrote all this in his logbook. Incident number 4, Bruce Jernan time travel. In 1970 December, he started traveling in his personal plane from Florida to Bahamas. Suddenly, on his way, his flight went into a huge cloud. He named it as an electronic fog. Suddenly, he saw with some high intensity continuous lights like photo flash. Later that flight came out of the cloud. In front of him, he saw Miami Beach. Wonder is that generally if we travel Florida to Bahamas, it takes 75 minutes to reach Miami. But from Florida to Bahamas, in this cloud, for him, it take only 40 minutes to reach Miami. It saved 28 minutes of his time. Incident number 5, Arctic. Arctic is nothing but underwater American base. US Navy in 1964 gave a statement that there is no Bermuda Triangle. But after Flight 19, Arctic has established underwater American base. They will be tested the happenings of Bermuda Triangle from here. From this onwards, Bermuda Triangle turned into a mysterious place in everyone's mind. So, friends, if you like it, please like, share and subscribe. Thank you.